Hi, it's Lynette here, and I have my vegan kind beauty box. So it is a kind of discovery box, so there's all sorts of kind of beauty products in the box, beauty, skincare, what have you. So it's £15 plus postage and packaging, so I think it comes to about $18.99. You actually get the box every 2 months, and if you want to use, I have a code, I think, down below. Might not work actually because I have unsubscribed from Vegan Kind, not because I don't like the box, but because I'd ordered it for a specific item, which was the London Botanical Serum that I really like, and then I was going to cancel it, and then I got the next box, and then I got an email to say that this box had been sent, payment had been taken, so I went in straight away to cancel it. Just with everything like the gas, electricity prices, the extra costs with having a puppy are huge. Something you don't think about. And we have a puppy that has allergies. So she's got some kind of food intolerance. We know it's food from the behaviour. We were really lucky that the vet that we went to see, her kind of sideline, as it were, is kind of skin and things like that. So she immediately kind of said that, you know, the itchy, smelly ears, the itchy skin, it was food intolerance. So we had to put her on a hypoallergenic diet. So we're using Purina, and we picked up the 3 kilo bag from the vet for like 30 odd quid. It lasted like a week. So luckily I found a bag online, 11 kilos for 50 odd quid. Got 10% code off from a friend who referred me. And then I discovered that on Amazon they do 5% off, but after 6 orders it's 15% off. So it takes the cost down a wee bit. However, we are hoping that we can find something. So far, we think she's allergic to chicken, which rules out turkey. We tried Eden, which is holistic dog food, and honestly, it's 80% fish, and the rest of the ingredients were like sweet potato, kale, things like that. So she's allergic to whatever was in the fish, so we could try and limit it down to say maybe trying a salmon rather than a mix of different fish. But so far fish is off the radar. We got our lamb bones, which she absolutely loved, but that resulted in the biggest symptom of a food intolerance, and I won't share that with you. So we're sticking to the Purina, and then we try and add in different things. So she hasn't had any beef or anything like that, but the good thing is we haven't been able to give her any little tidbits. So apart from an ice lolly, so she says, not an ice lolly, an ice pole. She says with an ice pole, on hot days I would sit outside and have an ice pole and share it with her. So whenever she sees you with an ice pole, she sits next to you like, please give me a bit. So I'm hoping that we can find something, because the Purina, trying to use that, because we can't give treats either at the moment, but trying to use the Purina as our treats in puppy class is not going well, especially when she can smell what everybody else has got. They've all got these magnificent smelling treats. So anyway, I'm filming this today as the date's going up. It's absolutely roasting. I don't know what is going on with my hair, honestly. I have been in a shower, but I feel minging now. I'm so hot. I've just put a jumpsuit on. Look, the two-toned arms are out, but I don't care, it's too hot. So I did do what I've been seeing them say on the TV, was close your windows, don't let the hot air in, and keep your blinds and curtains closed. So I'm hoping that does make a difference. However, saying that, I've been working all day, and one of my colleagues did say the advantage of going into the office is that the air conditioning's always on and it's really nice and cool. So you spend the day kind of nice and cool, and then, you know, maybe your bus journey home's not so good. But so I might consider that in the coming weeks, just depends who's around with Lola and things like that. So today I'm just kind of sucking it up, and as I say, I've been working all day, just kind of stopped now to film this before I upload it, before we go to puppy class, and I'm going to grab a cup of coffee and sit outside because, you know, it's roasting in the house and it can be uncomfortable, but I quite enjoy sitting in the sun for about 20 minutes is my maximum. So anyway, what's in the box? I've led her for 4.5 minutes, I've just spotted that there. I will go quickly through the box. As I say, there's no reason I'm cancelling it other than I don't need any more products, to be honest with you, really. Doesn't mean I don't love trying new things, because I do, but There's a lot of things in this box that I've never tried before, so it's quite an exciting box, to be honest with you. So there's a lavender and vanilla natural roll-on deodorant from Salt of the Earth. That is vegan as well. It's roll-on, 100% natural ingredients, which is fantastic. And it's a perfect scent for the summer. So it's a roll-on here, so I'm going to try it. Oh, it does smell nice. Lavender and vanilla, not a scent I've ever heard of before, going together before. So yeah, Steve cannot stand lavender. So this is made in the UK, award-winning, no white marks, long-lasting protection, and botanical aroma. So there we go. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Always like to hear about things like this. I know they do. I'm sure they do packaging that's also really good. So yeah, this is you can recycle the packaging. I don't know if it's made from recycled packaging, which would be even better. But anyway, so that's that there. So that is worth £5.49. You pick this up actually from places like Holland and Barrett as well, or directly from their website. The next one is a brand that I've used lots. Again, Holland and Barrett introduced me to this. It's Sukim. The Latest in Beauty actually introduced me to Sukim. I think that's where I first got it. So this is recommended retail price of £7.95. There we go. So that's a facial moisturiser, paraben free. It says it hydrates, nourishes and softens skin through a blend of rosehip, avocado, sesame seed and jojoba oils. Soothing aloe vera refreshes the skin, while wheat germ and vitamin E assist with improving texture and protecting the skin's moisture barrier. That sounds really good. And down here there's a list of all the these are all the things that we don't have in this box. So in this moisturiser. So there we go. So that's £7.95. So we're almost coming up to the cost of the box. This next product though is actually worth the cost of the whole box plus postage and packaging. So the whole box total value comes to £100. So this is Bye Bye, which is a really good brand. So what is it? It's an oat milk cleanser, so 150 mils. It says it's a dreamy creamy oat milk cleanser. So I've just been using the Aveeno oat milk cleanser. It's really nice for your skin. Gently cleanses without stripping, while oat kernel extract effectively lifts traces of dirt, oil and sunscreen. Probiotic coconut yogurt rebalances the skin's microbiome, helping to boost skin health, prevent breakouts and soothe redness. Feel fresh-faced and not tight-faced with this gentle alternative to harsh cleansers. So there it is there, vegan oat milk cleanser. So that's worth £18. Yeah, it looks good actually. So you just use a pea-size amount. And this tube is made from sugarcane. How fantastic is that? I love brands like this. Made in the UK as well for clean beauty, and a pea-size amount. So although it's worth £18, it'll probably last me ages. So I'm looking forward to trying that. So 100% vegan, plant-powered, certified cruelty-free, climate-conscious packaging, production and ingredients. So that's a brand that you could really get behind, isn't it? There we go. It's a lot of money, but I'm hoping it lasts. That's paid for the box, everything else is free as far as I'm concerned. So this next one is an Eco Hair Conditioner, Nourishing Coconut, 100 mils, minimal. There we go. I'm not sure how long that will actually last me. So that's £2.45, enriched with pink grapefruit and aloe vera. Minimal's lightweight, sulfate-free hair conditioner gently soothes the scalp and deeply nourishes hair, leaving it softer and shinier for longer. Great for those with coloured hair too, as it contains no sulfates, i.e. SLS, SLES, ALS, and their formulation is also curl friendly for all their curly haired customers. So that is good to know. I kind of at the moment I'm just using up what I've got. I'm not really interested in, you know, that's terrible to say, what's good for my curls and what's not good for my curls. I'm just using up what I have, but it's always good to know that there's brands out there. However, I do usually require quite a wee bit of conditioner, so unless this is good, it won't last very long. So be interested to try that. So yeah, there we go. Does it say anything about the packaging? Water from the Yorkshire Moors. Oh, so you can refill these at stockists. A lot of brands are doing that now, aren't they? But it's trying to find them. And last but not least, this is Symbiosis Skincare Revitalising Sugar Lip Scrub. It looks like something you get from the chemist, doesn't it? It just reminds me like a chemist label for some reason. It says here, infusing luscious sugar microcrystals, Symbiosis Revitalising Sugar Lip Scrub aims to gently exfoliate lips and polish their surface. It works to make their texture spectacularly smooth and refined. Instantly, lips glow with radiance and reveal the softness of a rose flower. I'm not sure how soft a rose is. As the massage takes effect, its delightful texture transforms into nourishing mask, infusing the lips with the power of rose, hyaluronic acid, and peony. So there we go. And as always, it tells you that this box was carefully packed by Susan and then checked by Dorata. So I know that Dorata's checked my box before. She might even have packed my box. I'm going to see if there's a seal. No, there's not a seal, so I'm just going to pop this. I do like it when lip products are shaped like that. I'm just going to try it on the back of my hand. It does feel sticky, which is what might put me off a wee bit. So you can see that, I don't know if you can see that. I would probably use this before bed actually if I was going to use it. That's when I tend to use my sugar scrubs. But it does leave it did leave the back of my hands feeling coated, so that'll leave something on your lips which will be nice and nourishing. Yep, I'll definitely try this. Actually needing my hair coloured again. It's been ages. I kind of go through stages where I get my hair coloured regularly and then I kind of realise it's kind of August and I've not had my hair done since March. Went through the whole of the pandemic without getting my highlights done. So the Sukim, the Milk Melt and Salt of the Earth. So as I say, this is a fantastic box. I think they called it a discovery box actually. And it was easy to go in and cancel, to be honest with you. You know, if I could keep all my boxes that I had before, I didn't keep them, got rid of them because there was repeat products and all the rest of it. But if I could keep the boxes, I probably would keep the Vegan Kind box on. However, because there's lots of new products in here that I haven't tried and some that I have. However, what I might do is wait and see in 2 months if there's something that I like in the box and resubscribe, but I'm not going to just keep it on automatically, getting it every 2 months. So anyway, thank you for joining me. I'm away to grab my coffee and grab the sun before it finally disappears behind the trees. Hope you're all well. Let me know if you've tried the old curtains closed and windows closed and if your house feels kind of any cooler. Stephen's room's got a blackout blind. So I said to him, close your windows, put the blackout blind down and it'll be nice and cool. So his room's really dark and it does feel a little bit cooler. I haven't done it in the kitchen simply because I'm working in here. And there's something about the rooms being dark during the day that I don't like. It goes against the grain for me, not opening the blinds and the windows. But anyway, I'm trying it out. I think it does help a wee bit, but you know, I will probably need the fan on tonight, but I am not complaining, absolutely not complaining at all. It's lovely to see the sunshine, and the bonus for me is I can get my wash and dry. After getting the shock with the electricity bills, I went on because I thought I better amend my electricity, my direct debit. So my gas was sitting at £45, my electricity was sitting at 60. So I thought I better increase them both because, you know, gas prices have gone up and what have you. So we fitted a combi boiler and I feel like that's kind of more efficient as well. But when I went on to adjust my direct debit for my gas, it said £168 we recommend you adjust your direct debit to monthly just for the gas and 118 for the electricity. So that is not happening, honestly. So yeah, I think maybe need to get, I don't think we actually use that much, to be honest with you, even if prices hiked up, but we'll see. I'm going to see if I can submit my meter readings and kind of find out where I'm kind of sitting at the moment, because it's shown that I'm in credit, but it said that if I didn't increase it to that amount I would be in debt at the end. So it's a huge amount, but that's maybe, you know, what they're thinking the price hike is going to be. So there's my bills gone from £105 to, my maths is terrible. £286, is that be about right? Which I think is shocking. And that's not affordable for anybody. I don't care what anybody says. You know, £100 to £286 is what they're projecting that I should be paying. Nah, sorry, I'll sit in the dark before I pay that. So anyway, I hope you're okay, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.